I am a senior manager, International Eye Bank. I am talking to you because this hospital is very helpful for humanitarian, for blind people, and it is very successfully doing this hospital. We are always help to develop this hospital from our side, and up to now we send 3,000 corneas to your hospital. I hope to send more and more corneas to your hospital as future as well. We always help to Pakistan blind people, and up to now we already sent 26,100 corneas up to now from the 1970 to up to now, but I hope to send more and more corneas for blind people in Pakistan future as well. Actually, we are support to your hospital from our side, and I am requesting you to that your people to help to develop this hospital, and your support give to them, and good humanitarian service they can do of your support.